Hey all, hope you all are good. Today I'm going to show how to combine data coming from different sources, it could be Excel, CSV or any other format, and combine it using TUnite component. So let's begin. So the component that is used to unite data from different components is TUnite. So let me show you the all data. Okay, so I've used a dataset known as HR dataset and pre-processed it to remove all the rest of the columns, and remaining data have just few columns in it: employee name, employee ID, DOB, sex. Similarly, what I've done, I've taken few data and output it in different format and saved it in form of XLS and one in CSV format. So let's make a metadata out of it. uh, EMP, let's browse the file. Okay, okay, let's click on next. Data type is correct. Let's click on finish. Let's create the metadata for the second file. Now I've created metadata for two files. Let's create a metadata for a CSV file. Let me load this. It should be comma separated. CSV stands for comma separated values. Click on refresh preview. Okay, what the heck I've used here? Since CSV is comma separated, when I use comma selector, so what it will do, it will consider Biden and Lovan M as separate column. So what I've done, I've pre-processed it and removed comma from all the values. So it is considering it as a one single column. Click on next. Data type seems to be same, and click on T file input. Let's combine it with TUnite. Seems it is hanging. Let's wait for a few seconds. Let's connect and let's print its output using tlogro. All the data has been already populated. Uh, I just click on this options to that will neglect empty rows. So far so good. Let's check the schema of its. Okay, yeah. Let's print it in form of table and let's run our job and find out if there is any error or not. Oh, so our job has been successfully completed. You can see that it has combined all the rows from Excels as well as CSV one, as it has no comma in it. So hope you like this video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.